Welcome back. I just want to take 2 seconds of your time and let you know about Volkswagen's biggest sale of the year, and I'm not just saying that. There is stackable money that you can put towards a cash deal, lease, or finance. There's cash incentives, there's 0% interest, and if you get an SUV, there's also 3 years of prepaid maintenance complimentary from Volkswagen. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited about this, and the best part is you don't have to wait till the end of the year because we still have inventory. So you can purchase a car now and get the color you want, get the trim level you want, and get the options that you want on your car. I truly believe if you are looking or thinking about purchasing a car, this is the best time to do so. Thank you so much for watching.